Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Daiso haul. For those of you who don't know what Daiso is, it is a Japanese dollar store. Everything in the store is $1.50 unless it is marked. Usually there'll be a sticker on the item that says how much it is, or you'll clearly see it on the shelf that it's $2 or $3 or however many dollars. Before I show you guys the items that I purchased at Daiso, I do want to take you guys around the store to show you guys all the other items that I didn't purchase that you may be interested in, and then I'll be back. So from Daiso, I purchased 23 items. I ended up spending about $41. The most I spent on one item in this bag is $3. So the first thing I see in here is this melamine sponge. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm going to open this so you guys can see. This is open. Oh, here it goes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a little cube. It says on the back, effective for cleaning water and grease stains. This sponge does not need soap, so you save a lot of money. This reminds me so much of the Mr. Clean sponge. You just add water. And there are 30 sponges in here, so I am excited to use these, and I will definitely let you guys know how these work. Next, I picked up this cute little beauty cosmetic bag. And it just zips like this. When you open it, it has this little mesh pocket right here. Oh, here, maybe you guys can see it back here. This is a plastic bottle cleaner. These are acrylic fibers. Doesn't this look like something, this looks like a cat toy. But I'm excited to use this. But I really need something to get in there. Look at this. I need something to get in there and really clean the bottle. Right now I'm using a baby bottle cleaner. So I am excited to use this. Look how long this is. So I purchased these two hair turbans. I was gonna say headbands, like little towel headbands. How cute is this? I just wanted a black one, so this was the only black one with the cat ears. I purchased these two so Millie and I can use them to pull our hair back when we're washing our face or when I'm taking off my makeup or applying my makeup. So these two will come in handy. Next, I'm going to show you guys a must-have that I needed for the coffee, cocoa, tea station. I should just call it a drink station, right? I am now looking for maybe a little, some kind of like a little cup or a little holder so I can put these in. These are just so adorable. I had to get them. Next, I picked up this soap dish for my mom. The one that she picked up from Target, she was not fond of. So I decided to pick up this one. This one's easier to close. I think she was struggling with closing the other one. The one that she has now kind of just like, it kind of just sits like this. So this one's just a lot easier to close. The next two items I got are for the drink station also. I picked up these cute little canisters. I picked up two because one is for my husband's coffee grounds and then the other one is for mine. Sometimes we'll use each other's, but usually he gets the coffee grounds that are a lot stronger than mine. From Walmart, we picked up one of those Keurig, reusable Keurig cups. So we just put the grounds in there, put it in the Keurig, and then it works as a K-cup. Next, I picked up another little pouchy thing. This one is going to be for my pencils and pens, highlighters. Also, you guys know my goal of reading one book a day, and I love writing in my books. So I want to start carrying like my highlighters and pencils or erasable pens, markers. I love having these two because now I'm going to feel a lot more organized in my purse. I carry this really big Michael Kors bag, and so there's a lot of loose things. So I plan on throwing like my little hand lotion, my gum, I don't know, other like little notebooks or whatever else, all the other miscellaneous things. I plan on throwing it in this mesh bag. And this came in a lot of other colors. I just felt, I don't know, the older I get, I just like basic black, white, and sometimes gray. I had to pick up this calculator. When I'm sitting at my desk and I'm calculating things and my phone's charging in the other room, sometimes I just need a calculator to punch in some numbers. Look at this. How cute is this? This is just perfect to throw in my little pencil drawer. Next, from the beauty aisle, I picked up this top coat by LA Colors. This is just a clear, sorry, the shadows are just killing my video right now, but this is just a clear top coat. Now, I have almost all the colors, LA Colors, and I think I got them from Daiso. I think I got them from Daiso because I'm like, where else would I have picked up? Next, I picked up these two marker pens, erasable marker pens. The brand is Pilot. Now, I did get this in black the last time I went to Daiso, and I really, really like this marker. So I decided to go back and pick up the red and the blue. I cannot wait to use these two. I usually carry this around with my book so I can write and erase. The only thing is, I notice in my book when I write with this and I try and erase it, if I erase too hard, it starts kind of tearing up the page. So I try not to erase with this, but on regular paper, this works really well. On my planner, this works really well. I also picked up some glue tape because I needed some glue tape. Let me show you guys. I also like picking up from Daiso their whiteout tape. I used to get it from the Dollar Tree, but the quality there just wasn't, the little runners, they were breaking from the Dollar Tree, but these, or all of them from Daiso, they work pretty well. How cute is this mesh bag? I was thinking Millie could use this, or I can use this. This would be good for the beach if and whenever we go to the beach, or Millie can use this for dance. And then last but not least, I picked up some highlighters. I needed some highlighters. I actually want to use them right now so we can look at them. Let's see. So these are the pens. Let's look at them a little. Oh, let's look at them a little closer. Oh yeah, it's slanted. Can you guys see that? There it goes. This is slanted. We'll just draw on the back of this. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To see more videos like this, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. I upload weekly and I would love it if you join my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.